peritoneum is a serous membrane within the abdominal cavity. It is divided into an outer parietal layer that lines the abdominal wall and an inner visceral layer that lines the abdominal organs. The peritoneal cavity is the potential space between these two layers. Within this cavity is peritoneal fluid that lubricates abdominal organs to ease friction for their movement. Using the peritoneum as a reference, organs can be categorized as retral or intraperitoneal. Retroperitoneal organs are behind or outside of the peritoneum. They include the esophagus, pancreas, distal duodenum, cecum, ascending colon, descending colon, rectum, kidneys, ureters, aorta, and inferior vena cava. Intraperitoneal organs are within the peritoneum. They include the stomach, liver, proximal duodenum, jejunum, ileum, spleen, transverse colon, sigmoid colon, and appendix. Mesentery are double folds of peritoneum that serve to anchor abdominal organs. They are divided into ventral and dorsal categories. The single ventral mesentery is called the greater omentum, which drapes off of the greater curvature of the stomach to cover the ventral surface of all the intestines. The greater omentum contains three ligaments. The gastrocolic ligament connects the greater curvature and the transverse colon. The gastrophrenic ligament connects the greater curvature and the diaphragm, and the gastrosplenic ligament connects the greater curvature and the spleen. All dorsal mesenteries are posterior to the ventral mesentery. It includes the lesser omentum anchoring the lesser curvature of the stomach to the liver, the mesocolon anchoring the large intestine, and the mesentery proper anchoring the small intestines. The lesser omentum also has two ligaments. The hepatogastric ligament connects the lesser curvature and liver, and the hepatoduodenal ligament connects the proximal duodenum and liver. Within the hepatoduodenal ligament is the portal triad, which is composed of the hepatic artery, portal vein, and hepatic duct. Behind the hepatoduodenal ligament is an opening called the omental foramen, which serves to divide the peritoneal cavity into a greater sac and a lesser sac. The omental foramen is formed by structures surrounding it. Superiorly, it is the liver. Anteriorly, it is the hepatoduodenal ligament. Inferiorly, it is the duodenum, and posteriorly, it is part of the vena cava and the diaphragm.